You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2m/3 from both sides. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 15/-4. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is m equals 15.